Hello, today we're going to review the Star Wars egg decorating kit. It comes with 6 color tablets, 1 egg dipper, 48 stickers, 9 fun tops, and 1 drying tray. And this is what they're supposed to look like when we are done. I choose not to use hard-boiled eggs. We will use plastic eggs on this. Saves on dyeing your fingers if you do this with kids. It's just easier. As it says, it's only $1. So $1 worth of entertainment for Easter is amazing. Okay, so here's our egg dipper to dip our eggs. Here are our 48 stickers, our 6 coloring tabs, and I have no clue. It says 9 fun tops. I don't really know what that is, and the box is empty, so who knows? Maybe it's those 9 things where you hold your eggs. Who knows? So we will just go ahead and get started. It looks like you take an egg and you put different stickers on there. I'm going to use the blue egg. I'm going to put already, I don't know. I would say it, but then I'll screw it up. And it just goes on there, just like stickers. Quick, simple, easy. I don't know, and there's many to choose from, and there's no right or wrong. This probably would take maybe 10 minutes tops for kids. So if you have kids who want to get a project done quickly, this would be one of the ones that I would recommend as something to do quick. Now, I do not have any boys in my house, minus my husband. I have lots of girls, so we do princess things, not so much Star Wars, but I know lots of kids who love Star Wars, so this would be awesome. I try not to cover the crack between the 2 things so that you can still stuff it with goodies. I'm not exactly sure what kind of goodies we're going to do this year at our household, and my kids are older, but believe it or not, they still want Easter eggs every year to go and find. I guess when you're young and you can still get away with it, we can do it. Oh, you can see that I was dyeing eggs earlier, so my fingers are yellow. So there you go. There's another one. They're that simple, quick, easy. You can put more stickers on, you can put less stickers on, and I would say that they look very similar to what's on the front of the package. Thanks for watching.